Welcome back, everyone. Hope you all had a great holiday. So today I will be showing you all how to make a peach cobbler pie. So I have 2 cans of 29-ounce cans of peaches, which I'm going to put in my pot. I'm going to use all the peaches in both cans, but only use 1 can of juice and a half a can of juice. And to my peaches, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of brown sugar, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I also added 1 cup of white sugar. I added 1 teaspoonful of nutmeg, and I also added a half a teaspoon of allspice, and this is optional. And I also added 1 teaspoonful of cinnamon. So what I'm doing here is mixing everything together. You can add or take away what you would like. And also right here, I am kind of cutting the peaches in half because I don't like biting on big chunks of peaches. So I went and bought 2 boxes of the pie crust, and each one has 2 pie crusts that comes with it. So what you want to do is take one of the pie crusts, unravel it, and start putting it on both sides of the pan. I think this is like a 13 by 9 pan, if I'm not mistaken. And guys, this is my nephew, hands here you see, he's helping me out today. His name is Cody. After I put both of the pie crusts in the pan, what I did is preheat my oven to 350, and I'm going to bake my crust first for about 10 to 15 minutes. That's optional, that's what I do. You don't have to do it, but I don't like the bread taste it gives off. And this is how it looks after 10 minutes in the oven. And so next I'm just gonna take my peaches and just pour it all over in my pan. So I'm gonna take my next box of pie crust, which 2 comes in there, lay it flat and cut out my stripes so I can put it on top of the peach cobbler. So what I'm doing here now is taking a few strips and placing them throughout the pie so I can have like this dumpling type filling. If I had any biscuits, I will cut the biscuit in pieces and do it, but I didn't have it, so I will be using my strips of pie crust. So after you get through placing your pie strips in there, and this step is optional, then you want to take a fork and kind of push them in there. Remember guys, to please save some for the stripes that you're going to put on top of the pie, and you can also use biscuits as well. This step is optional. We place more of the pie crust in there because we love the different textures, me and my family. But this step is optional. So now the next step is take all your stripes that you then cut up and place them on top of your peach cobbler pie in like a basket weave type, or however you like it. I made sure I had used every piece that I have left over. Now you want to take some melted butter and baste your crust. very well. Now my oven is preheated at 350 and I will let my pie cook for about 1 hour. After about an hour and 10 minutes, please let your pie sit up for about a couple of hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours. I let mine sit. It should not be watery or soupy or anything.